Hey angels, Sam and I are here. We are showcasing our Hydrafacial, and this obviously is on a male. Stay tuned for all the details. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so that you know when we upload any new videos for you. So today we did a Hydrafacial on one of our employees' husbands. Men need love too.
Yes,
so
they
Hydrafacial is great at exfoliating that skin. It does come with a little peel. So you'll see that here in a few minutes. And it's just going across that skin gently, using a lot of acids to break down that dead skin. And then as we put the peel on, it will obviously be able to penetrate a little better. Look at it go. So if you've noticed, the tip color has changed. And that's just for the exfoliation part. And then she's going to be doing, I think this is where she might have the peel. So she's just applying that peel. So you'll notice the skin gets a little red.
Yeah, it's a pretty gentle peel, most of the peels that we have with the Hydrafacial, so they're not anything that's going to make your face fall off or anything. You'll probably get a little flaky. Some people do. Not everybody does. It's very tolerable. It doesn't hurt. It just, tingles a little bit, but that's about it.
Yep, here's the peel. So you'll see she goes all over the face with the peel, and there's different levels. Depends on your, skin, where you're at in your skincare, routine, regimen, journey, as to what, percentage we're going to use.
Exfoliation is really good for male patients because they tend to be pretty oily. So getting all of those dead skin cells off is important, as well as extracting from those pores. That's really important. They tend to hang on to a lot of those dead skin cells because of all the oil that they have generally.
And with some of our male patients, it's nice to do a dermaplane before. We just didn't choose to do one on Eric that day.
Right. It's actually really nice to add on to a Hydrafacial for anybody that can tolerate it. Sometimes we'll see a little bit of redness in different, stages or phases of the Hydrafacial. Generally, by the time we're done, we can kind of alleviate that and get rid of most of it, either by doing some of the light therapy that we have, or maybe applying something topically that helps with redness. But it's usually not that much.
And if you've not had a Hydrafacial before, this is your sign to go get one.
Yeah, and typically they're done about every 4 to 6 weeks apart. We usually will recommend a series. It really is a nice starting off point for changing the skin, especially if you've not done anything like that in a while or ever. But usually we'll do a series.
Now it's just a lot of exfoliation. Here in a second, you're going to see Sam doing the nose area, and that's probably the most satisfying area for you and us to watch all those blackheads come out. It's great. And then at the end too of your facial, you have an option of seeing your waist jar, your GUNKIE jar, which will encapsulate all of the gunk from your face, which is also very satisfying to see. There it is. Watch all of the blackheads pop out. It's great.
So satisfying.
And that's just a close-up of what the tip looks like.
You can kind of see the buildup of oil. If you see the white on the end there, it's kind of hard to see, but
there it is. And now Sam's doing a booster, or possibly just the antioxidant that we also put on at the end, just to brighten your skin and make it healthy. And that's pretty much it. It's a very comfortable, nice treatment. Everyone, for the most part, can do this treatment. So look for your local SD. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure, again, you subscribe, hit that little bell, and we will see you soon.
bye.
Thanks
Angels.
for watching.
Bye.